Hello and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use wxWidgets with Mac OS Retina displays. So as you can see, when you run a simple project written in wxWidgets on Mac OS, by default you will have like here, for example, you have blurred text that really doesn't look good. If I hover my mouse here on the buttons, you can see that we have also blurred buttons here. And compare this to the other window, this one. So here we have very crisp text, and also the resolution of the buttons is really good. So how to do this in wxWidgets? All right, let's go to the code. This is a sample code for my other tutorial about CMake and wxWidgets. Definitely recommend to check it out if you would like to know how to set up wxWidgets with CMake. But just one thing I would like to show you is this line. So here we are setting the info property list for this application. And this info property list, only on macOS systems, this info property list contains a few lines, and the one that is the most important for our problem, for solving our problem, is this one. The one key that is most important. NS principal class key with value NS application. So this little hack will make sure you achieve this effect, so you'll have crisp text and crisp high resolution buttons, and your wxWidgets application will look great. Alright, so that's how we do it. And just so you know, the info property list file is a part of something called macOS bundle. This is just a directory structure. If we open the build folder here in macOS, we can navigate to our build artifacts, and you can see we have this thing called main. This isn't really a file, it looks like a file, but it's an application. So we can show package contents. And here we have a bunch of files and directories. Here is our executable file, and here is info property list. And as you can see, it contains the important key here. So that's just a list of properties for macOS, and if macOS sees this property, it makes sure the application looks good on the Retina displays, so it looks like this. Alright, so that's it. That's a very quick tutorial. As I said, if you want to know more about using CMake with wxWidgets, how to download wxWidgets on the fly when you are building your application, do check out my other tutorial. And also please subscribe, like, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.